Apple introduces new MacBook Air with M4 chip and upgraded features ***. On Wednesday, Apple announced the latest MacBook Air, featuring the powerful M4 chip while maintaining its familiar design. The new model offers improved performance and is available in two sizes, 13-inch and 15-inch. The 13-inch MacBook Air starts at $999, which is $100 less than the previous entry price of $1,099. Pre-orders are open now, with shipments beginning on Wednesday, March 12. The base model includes 16 GB of RAM, the same as last year's version, ensuring it meets the minimum requirements for Apple Intelligence. Customers also have the option to upgrade to 32 GB of RAM at checkout. Apple has upgraded the Thunderbolt ports from Thunderbolt 3 to Thunderbolt 4, allowing users to connect up to two external displays while keeping the built-in display active. Other connectivity options include a MagSafe 3 charging port and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The webcam now supports Center Stage, a feature that automatically keeps the speaker centered in the frame. Additionally, Apple has introduced a new sky blue color, alongside the existing midnight, starlight, and silver options. While the MacBook Air remains a more affordable and lightweight alternative to the MacBook Pro, it does have some trade-offs. The Pro model offers a longer battery life and a high-quality mini-LED display with greater pixel density. Despite these differences, the MacBook Air continues to be one of Apple's best-selling laptops, thanks to its balance of performance and price. The M4 update isn't a major overhaul, but it is expected to sustain strong sales, much like its M3 predecessor. Apple first introduced the M4 chip with the iPad Pro in May 2024. Over the past year, the company has steadily transitioned its product lineup to M4, integrating it into devices like the MacBook Pro, Mac Mini, and iMac.